Located in Austin, Texas, Concrete House is a small yet highly functional project designed by Ravel Architecture in 2017. With just 600 square feet of space, this home is more than just a backyard addition. It's an architectural solution tailored to meet the diverse needs of an active family. With 2 kids and a bustling household, the family needed an extra space that could be versatile, efficient, and still offer comfort and style. The home's design cleverly accommodates multiple functions within a single space. During the day, it transforms into a perfect play area for the kids, even accommodating sleepovers. At night, it becomes a cozy media room for the parents to relax. When guests come to visit, the same space can easily convert into a luxurious guest suite, offering comfort and privacy like a hotel room. This flexibility is the heart of the design, a space that can adapt and transform to fit the family's changing needs. The structure also responds thoughtfully to its surroundings. Located in a historic residential neighborhood, the home maintains a familiar gabled roof silhouette that blends in with the area's traditional architectural style. It's positioned at the far back corner of the lot, not only to ensure privacy from the alley and neighboring multi-unit buildings, but also to create a more enclosed second yard. This placement makes the casita feel like a natural extension of the main house, not an out-of-place structure. Material choice plays a big role in the home's character. The exterior is clad in corten steel, a weather-resistant material that develops a rich reddish patina over time. Beneath this weathered shell is a solid concrete structure that gives the house its core strength. The blend of industrial materials with natural aging textures creates a strong, warm personality for the building. Inside, the atmosphere shifts completely. The interior is wrapped in white oak wood, creating a warm and inviting space. A compact bathroom, kitchenette, media center, and sliding partitions are neatly arranged to make the most of the available space. Every element is precisely designed to support multiple functions without feeling cramped or cluttered. One of the home's most intriguing features is its concrete wall system. Instead of using a traditional solid concrete wall, the architects developed a layered system using 2 4-inch concrete panels with a 2-inch layer of polyisocyanurate insulation sandwiched in between. The result is a wall that appears to be 10 inches thick, but with superior thermal performance. It's a smart integration of construction technology, energy efficiency, and design aesthetics. Concrete House is proof that small design can make a big impact. With thoughtful planning, smart material choices, and a deep understanding of its users' needs, the home becomes a flexible, comfortable, and well-integrated living space. If you're exploring ideas for a backyard guest house or multi-use space, this project offers plenty of relevant inspiration. Thanks for watching this home tour on Block 7. We hope Concrete House by Ravel Architecture sparked new ideas for your own additional dwelling or flexible backyard space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more exciting architecture projects. See you in the next video, only on Block 7, where home design ideas begin.